guys, so before I put you back into today's video, I'm going to give a big thank you to today's sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends. It's one of the most ambitious RPG games of 2019. Raid has everything you'd find in a traditional RPG game, and normally this sort of experience you'd find in like a PC game or console. So it has stuff like an amazing storyline, awesome 3D graphics, boss fights, PvP battles, and hundreds of champions to collect as well. And the best thing all of it, it's all totally free. I mean, look at the level of detail on these champions, guys. It's just crazy, isn't it? Look at the armor on this guy. And this one too. And of course, this is the sort of level of detail and the sort of armor you can get once you start leveling up and getting on the game. It's giving me a lot of throwbacks to the games I used to play back in the days, man. Now, Raid Special Launch Tournament is happening right now, so you guys best get involved quickly because it is sort of growing quite fast. The cool thing is, if you follow my link in the description, you'll get 50,000 free silver. And you'll get free entry into that special launch tournament where you can win in-game prizes and also special physical prizes as well, which get delivered straight to your door. So enjoy, guys, and yeah, just have fun. Right, folks, here we go. MK6 R. This car is stage 2 plus. I'm going to give you guys a little walk around first, then we'll head out on those usual roads. This car is tuned by Artec. So it made around 362 bhp and around 414 pound-feet of torque. It has got a few things, of course. It's decayed as being stage 2 plus. It has got upgraded fuel pump internals as well. Got a ram air induction kit. This is a CDL block, so if you've seen my engine bay a few times, you'll know that it looks slightly familiar. This is a TFSI, but the main difference is MK6R is like the Edition 30s. They come with a KO4 standard and also S38P. You got the full thing, and yeah, you've seen the drill anyway if you've been watching the last few videos. Diverter valves there. This has got the RS4 fuel oil pressure valve as well. We've got some nice gold wrap on here, probably for some heat management. But yeah, business as usual. 362 horsepower, but of course MK6R has got a Haldex, so 4-wheel drive, get all the power on the ground. Quite looking forward to seeing how it compares to a Mk7. When this came out, it was more of a special car. With the Mk7, they bought out a lot of offers, so it was more of a common car. You got these projector headlights as well, one way to identify. You got the lower bumper area, got these wheels too. Another thing I really love on these rear lights, man. I used to have a 1.6 TDI Mk6 back in the days, and basically all I wanted was these taillights. Clean car, black 5-door DSG. It's got leather on the inside as well. Owners just put some fresh Michelin Pilot Sport 4s on. Proper tyres. I had these exact ones on my S3 inside. Mk6 interior as usual. Nice black leather seats. These look very similar to the ones I've got in my car actually. Got the DSG lever here as well, of course, all looking very familiar. Mk6 is essentially like a Mk 5.5, you could say. The Mk7, when they fully changed up the interior. You can do a few of these mods to a Mk 5 if you want to. Stuff like this area, steering wheels of course, but Mk6 parts are quite expensive. I can guarantee you that. More than Mk7 parts anyway, simply because they're quite hard to find. Exhaust on this of course is decayed because it's stage 2 plus, but it's also got no resonator as well. Got a nice growl to it. The TFSIs always do. One thing I noticed with the TSIs, because of course I had one in my S3, they have more of a tinny noise. The TFSIs just have this deep noise, especially the ones I've had to go in. This one is a standard exhaust, but it is a Mk6R, so the exhaust will be good to start with. But yeah, what we'll do now, guys, we'll head inside the car, get some GoPros set up, and yeah, just basically see how the thing drives like. Because I just hopped in now. I've been driving for about 5 minutes. We're just getting up to these roads. I gave it like a few pulls just down there before we started the cameras, and like I was expecting it to like be quick, like straight away and pull, but this is like you press the gas and you all of a sudden you're like a few meters down the road straight away. It's like you just teleport there, which is different to what I was expecting. I'm not gonna lie, because you look at the power on paper, 360 horsepower is a lot, but then if you compare it to say other factory cars with 360, they don't drive like this. And it makes all these like rally noises as well. Of course this is an Artec map, so they've mapped it very linear from what we can see. It feels very linear. There's no like waiting and then suddenly there's bang loads of torque. It's just there all the time. And of course it is Haldex 4-wheel drive, so you just get all the power down. I have had to go in a few Artec mapped cars and just generally a few TFSIs now anyway, but they've mostly been front wheel drive, so you're kind of dealing with the wheel spin, then you get to how the car drives power wise and the delivery of it. But this is like straight, you press the gas and you're gone. So go right to the limiter.
Yeah, and then just lift off just before like 7k.
Oh shit, yeah. That's an interesting one. So it does it, you let off. Let's do it again. A bit loud, man.
Feel a little squirm sometimes, but
Yeah.
once it shuffles the power around and then you're gone.
Yeah, it deals with it, no problem. Turn it in. That torque's just rude, man. Isn't it like what, 414, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Let's try this. Let's do the overrun on this little bridge bit here. There we go. That's echoes a lot, that does. You can't make it as well when you want it to, right? That was a lot quicker than I actually can say. I was looking at the speedo, the needle was like going like an RPM gauge. Back onto the road again. That Mark 6 Rs are no joke, man. Especially if you add another 100 horsepower. Rally car noises as well. It's so weird, yeah. You know, normally I can see these roads a bit easier, like the sight lines. The trees have grown because I haven't done a review in so long, yeah. The gearbox map is nice and aggressive as well.
Yeah.
Because DSGs are normally really smooth. You don't really feel much. So this, at least when you change gear, it does have.
Yeah, obviously in manual mode, sorry, in drive.
Yeah.
It's quite smooth, even when you are getting your foot down. But once you've got it into manual,
Yeah.
you feel it really punch into the gears.
Every gear, like, it's just moving forward if you stay on the gas as well. Like, it's a nice feeling. Getting used to the review stuff again. I was a bit rusty to begin with. Probably still am, to be fair. But yeah, we'll do a little launch here. Nice and straight. Alright. Been a while since I launched the car. Should be good fun. You were wrong, man.
I've done a draggy run.
Okay.
I've done a draggy run.
Whatever the surface is, yeah.
3.91, and that was with my old tyres.
Oh, that was with the old tyres with these
Yeah,
PS4s.
they were Continental Premium Contact 6, and they were pretty worn out.
These PS4s are just transform my car, man. Right people, so that's the Mark 6 R. That was a nice little drive in it. Big thanks to Rob for bringing it down. He's off camera but he is here. I'll put his Instagram on the screen as well. It's good to have a go in a Mark 6 R. It's been one of those things I've been wanting to try for a few years. This one's stage 2 plus, and yeah, you can see more of it on his Instagram anyway. But yeah, definitely enjoyed it, guys. Should be more reviews to come on exciting stuff like this, don't worry. And yeah, the GTI project, the KO4 and all that stuff will get done. Just make sure you drop a like on it if you did enjoy it. And yeah, just subscribe for a lot more of that content to come, and I'll see you in the next one.